Okay, hello. This is my bike. It's custom. I just ordered a front hub, Primo N4 hub. Those are black eye forks with a kink frame, animal seat with a federal seat post, black eye sprocket, KMC chain, Primo, a white Primo spokes with the Odyssey rim and Odyssey tire, front animal ASM tire, mechanic cranks, Odyssey twisted PC pedals. I got the black eye stem. Got Easton bars with purple Animal Edwin and purple Barnes. It's most likely it. And I got these cool dice. That I really know what it is. It's some cheap company. That's a black label rim. I'm getting an Alienation sooner or later. Comment, rate, subscribe. Thanks.